For those of you that know a little bit about Porsche, you know that this car is honestly not much. You can get one of these Porsches for around $10,000. Holy shit. It's been off the road for a while. Kind of makes me wonder how bad a condition it must be in. It's definitely dirty. I don't know, to be honest, I like these cars. I seriously considered getting one of these. I test drove a bunch of them. But I ended up not getting it because of how slow they are. They're 0 to 60 in like 6-7 seconds. 200 horsepower, they're nothing special. They don't look too bad, and they're all convertible, so you get a convertible for a good price. And you could easily find one of these for around $9 grand now. Yeah, it's definitely nothing special. It's probably the least Porsche you could buy. But you'd own a Porsche. You'd own a convertible. You'd own a rear-engine car, or mid-engine, whatever the fuck it is. It'd be pretty cool, and I still want one. And when I'm doing budget gear, and I've been successful for a couple of years, I plan on doing a 10 grand car special, and this is the kind of car I would get. Seriously, is this where everyone fucking goes on a motherfucking Sunday? Yeah, and I plan on taking one of these and just driving all the way across the country. 3,000 kilometer road trip. Or 5,000 kilometers. 3,000 miles? I don't know, it'll be a long ass road trip. And I wouldn't be driving a motherfucking automatic, that's for sure. I would much rather have this Porsche. This back end isn't the most attractive. And holy shit, do the back seats not fit much, but just look at this car on the inside. That looks good, even with all the tears. The logo is a little lackluster in comparison, though.